Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Nessa here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Amazon wig review for you guys. Yeah, this wig was super duper affordable. It was like $48. Let's just say $50. All right, so a little deets about the hair or the wig. It's from JJ Hair Company on Amazon, and it's a 8-inch bob wig. And in the packaging, it comes with the wig. They also sent me a wig cap, and it's also has a card. All right, guys. So I know I'm speaking a little faster than what's happening in the video, but y'all get the drill, okay? All right, guys. So let's get to the tea, shall we? Alright, so this hair is 100% human hair. It has a strap in the wig, which is pretty cool. The strap fits perfectly. I didn't have to do anything extra to this wig when I first got it. Now the lace is medium brown, and it's a Swiss lace, and it's 13 by 4. Okay, so it's ear to ear. The hair itself is pretty soft. The wig was lightweight. It was super easy to work with. So I'm going to do a little bit of customization right here. Not much. I'm just going to bleach the knots, and I took 2 scoops of my Clairol BW bleaching powder. Well, it was like 1.5 scoop. My bad. And I'm going to take my volume 20 developer cream, and this is from Salon Care. I probably should have gone with the 40 just because it was taking too long, and I did wash it out too quickly, so it didn't all that bleached, but it was all right. So I'm going to mix these two together into a really thick paste. Guys, you do not want it runny because it will get all over it will bleed through the lace, get all over the hair, and basically ruin it somewhat. All right, guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and lightly spread that all over the lace, and I let it sit for maybe 30 minutes. I probably should have let it sit a little bit longer, but it was all right. Okay. All right, so after I was done bleaching the lace, I washed the hair, I blow dried it just because I didn't want to wait, and then I straightened it, and there you go. There you have it. I did not pluck the front just because it came pre-plucked, and it was perfect. I didn't need to do anything else to this wig. It's perfect as is. All right, guys, so now let's get to applying the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off that little extraness right there that we don't need. So, and this is the back of the wig, guys. So I probably should have showed you the inside of the wig some more, because it do come with some clip and some adjustable straps. I removed the 2 clips from the side, and yeah, that was all I did. So now time to put on this little bad boy. So I'm just going to make sure that it's straight on my head, and I like to put on a stocking cap before I put my wig down. This is just so, because I have short hair, and it kind of tames my short hair when I put on a stocking cap. Now, time to, get to the tea once again. So now we're going to go ahead and cut off the ear section. We're going to cut around it so that it blends, so that it fits your head or my head properly. All right, guys, and you want to take your time when doing this, just because you don't want to ruin the wig, because once you make a wrong cut, like, it's kind of like hard to work around. So I'm just cutting off that extraness right there on the ear portion. I like doing this before I start laying down the hair. This is just so that I know what I'm working with. All right, guys, so yeah, that's what's up. All right, guys, now we're going to pull back the wig, and we're going to lay down some Gots to Be Glue gel. Guys, I guess I was carried away with this video that I forgot to hold up the product to show you what I'm using, but it is the Gots to Be Glued gel in the black tube. Okay, so I'm just spreading that all over my edges with my fingers. Of course, your hand, your finger is your best friend in most cases. All right, so I'm just laying it nice and flat. Make sure it's smooth, it's not lumpy, so that when you lay down the lace, it doesn't seep through it. Now we're going to go on top of that with my Got to Be Glued blasting spray, and I'm just spraying it on top of the gel. So this is going to make my wig a little bit more secured, for it to last longer, even though I don't keep my wig on for more than 3 days. And sometimes I do take it off the same day I put it on. But anywho, to speed up the drying process, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer, and I'm using cool settings to do this. And now we're going to lay down the wig. Now, I like to lay down my lace starting from the center, okay? I just feel like it's easier that way. So once you lay the middle down and you start laying the side down, it just comes together really nicely. So yeah. And then I'm taking my tail comb or rat tail comb, however you guys want to say it, and I'm just going to like comb through the edges and kind of like press it into the glue or into the gel so that everything lies smooth and nice, okay? Because we're like trying to mimic real hair over here, okay? So we're just going to press that in, not too hard though, because you don't want to let the glue seep up and get all into the hair. You just want it on the lace. Now we're going to go back in with the blow dryer, and we're using cool settings once again, okay? Now time to cut away all this extraness once again, and I'm going to cut away the lace in zigzag motion as close to the hairline as possible, okay? And guys, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to your girl for more videos. Hit the notification bell so that when I upload more videos, you'll get a notification, okay? And comment down below. Let me know what y'all think at the end of this look, okay? All right, so I'm just still cutting away the lace. Like, guys, this is a process, okay? There's no getting away from it. It's the process. This took me like 30 minutes to complete, and this is how, based on how neat you want your stuff to be or whatever you're doing to be. So it takes a little time. Now, I'm going to go ahead and clean up around the edges with some alcohol. And now I'm going to start laying down all the little areas that got missed during the slayage process. So I went back in with my Gots to Be Glued gel. I add some blasting spray to it, and yeah, that's what we're doing, okay? We're just catching up on all those little areas that did not get no glue, or get it but didn't stick, you know? And yeah, we're just tightening up all those little loose ends, you know? Because that's how we do it over here. Oh yeah. Come on. Oh yeah. All right, let me shut up. All right, so we're just laying down everything nicely, all that good stuff. Now time for us to tie it down so that it melts, okay? All right, so I'm just tying it down. I'm gonna let it sit for maybe 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna jump off of here, do my makeup real quick, cause well, we are got busted, you know, here up, face off up too, you see me? All right, so now it's time to lay these edges. Like, you can wear it without baby hair and stuff. You can actually wear it like that. I could wear it like that. I could have, but I was feeling the baby hair moment. But before we get to that, I'm going to go in and make my side part. I'm a side part girl. Center part is just not my thing. I wear side part now and again, but center part is the shit for me. Okay, so I'm just going in with my hot comb, and I'm just laying it down. Going in with my wax stick from Easy Edges or Easy Edge, or however you want to say it. And I'm just laying it down, tying it together, and then now for baby hair. So as you can see, I'm just parting little sections, and I'm taking my little scissors, my little lace scissors, that's what I call it, and I'm just going to cut off what I don't need, because we don't want no giant size baby hairs for baby hair, okay? We don't. So I like my baby hairs subtle, not too thick, not too much. You know, I'm more like the whole natural stuff. All right, so I'm just cutting away all that extra hair that I don't need, because homegirl over here trying to create some baby hair, okay? All right. All right, now I'm going to go back in with some of my Got To Be glued, and I like using mousse to lay down my baby hair, but in the situation, if I had used mousse, it would have started lifting my wig, and I just did not want that. So I went in with the Got To Be glued, and I'm just taking my edge brush to just, you know, lightly lay him down. And as you can see, it wasn't extra. It was just simple and perfect for me. So yeah. Alright guys, so the rest of this is basically self-explanatory. I think I should just shut the hell up and let this video play through, like, you know? Alright guys, so let me know what you think about this $48 wig from Amazon. It's really nice. I like it. It can be my everyday, my go-to wig, just because it's low maintenance, you know? So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let this play through. Thank you for watching. Like I said before, comment in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what kind of video you want to see me put out, okay? And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks again. Peace out.